Ethiopia evacuates 80,000 after earthquake, volcanic eruption fears. The Ethiopian government said it was evacuating about 80,000 people after a series of small-scale earthquakes in the Afar, Oromia and Amhara regions. At least 10 earthquakes have been reported in Ethiopia since Friday, and there are signs of possible volcanic activity. The latest earthquake struck the Awash Fentale district, which straddles the Afar and Oromia regions, at 3:52 a.m. Saturday. The U.S. Geological Survey recorded the 5.8 magnitude quake about 56 kilometers, 35 miles, southeast of Ambosa, in the Oromia region, early Saturday. Adelaide Ale, head of the Department of Seismology and a professor of seismic science at Addis Ababa University, said the epicenter was in the middle of Dauphin Mountain, Awash Fentale district, in the Afar region. Just hours later, a second quake, measuring 4.7, was reported about 10 kilometers, 6 miles, east of Awash in the Afar region. The events have been getting bigger and more frequent over time. In particular, this week, data showed that the earthquake was as large as 5.8 on the Richter scale, the federal government said in a statement on Saturday. The quake was felt in the capital, Addis Ababa, and towns such as Adama and Meteora. Residents living in condominiums and high-rise buildings also felt it, according to reports. About 24 earthquakes and aftershocks have been reported in the Awash Fentale district since September, residents and officials said. In the Afar region, frequent earthquakes have created a natural hot spring crater that is reportedly expanding. No casualties have been reported, but the quakes have damaged dozens of homes in Afar. Friday's quake in Afar raised fears of a volcanic eruption after smoke poured out of a vent on the Dauphin volcano, indicating potential volcanic activity. The government is continuing to monitor the incident with experts on the ground. The government has also identified the epicenter of the quake and deployed emergency responders from various areas in 12 kabeles to assess the extent of the damage, the Ethiopian government said in a statement. A major effort is underway to identify the most vulnerable among the 80,000 residents living in the kabeles and evacuate them from the area. In addition, monitoring the potential impact of the quake on social service institutions, economic institutions and infrastructure is being carried out, the Ethiopian Disaster Risk Management Commission said in a statement issued on Saturday that more than 51,000 people in the Afar and Oromia regions are at risk due to repeated earthquakes in the past 2 months.